Hello everyone, welcome to our IEP Mathematics class. Today we are going to study about improper fraction and mixed number. So we have a whole, right? A whole of circle. And we have two whole. One whole and one whole. So when you see a circle like this, we call a whole. We have one whole and one whole. And for this picture, if you look at the picture, tell me what fraction is it? It is 3 over 6, right? We have 3 parts out of 6. So you can write it in fraction, 3 over 6. As you can see, we have one whole and one whole, which is 2 whole, plus 3 over 6. So remember, when we have 2 and 3 over 6, when you see something like this, it is called mixed numbers. I have two words to present to you today. The first one, convert. Convert means change, okay? Change the form. And relationship. Relationship means the way that two things are connected. So I'll show you the relationship between mixed number and improper fraction. So as you can see, we have 2 and 3 over 6, which is a mixed number. Number 2 here tell you how many whole that we have. So we have 2 whole, as you can see in the picture. And this fractional part, 3 over 6, tells you that we have 3 parts out of 6. And the denominator here tells you that how many parts are in each whole. So we have 6 parts in each whole. Here, can you see? We have 6 parts in each whole. So, from 1 becomes 6 over 6. Now, can you see we have 6 over 6 plus 6 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Tell me, can you add this fraction? Yes, you can, right? You can add these 3 fractions because they have the same denominator. So what you need to do is add the numerator together. So the answer would be 15 over 6. Can you see? 15 over 6 is improper fraction. So we can say that 2 and 3 over 6 equal to 15 over 6. We just convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, they are equal but they have different form. As you can see, we have 2 and 2 over 3. I want you to change this mixed number to improper fraction. So you can do it without using a diagram. You just multiply the denominator by the front number. You multiply 3 by 2 and then you plus the numerator. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, plus more 2, then you will get 8. Can you see? 8 over 3. You keep the denominator for your answer. We just change from mixed number to improper fraction and they are equal. So if you want to prove, you can prove by a diagram. Remember, the front number tell you that we have 2 whole. And this fractional 2 over 3 tell you that we have 2 out of 3. And the denominator 3 tells you how many parts are in each whole. So we have 3 parts in each whole. And if you count the green part, you will get 8 over 3. Okay, remember, this is still part out of 3. So you keep the denominator the same. Here I want you to change the mixed number to improper fraction. You multiply 6 by 2 and then plus 3. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. Can you see? So 2 and 3 over 6 equals 15 over 6. You just change the mixed number to improper fraction. they are equal. And for this fraction, 2 and 2 over 9. Just do the same. You multiply 9 by 2 and plus more 2. Okay? 9 times 2 is 18 plus 2. So the answer would be 20 over 9. Can you see? You keep the denominator for your answer. And now, I want you to change improper fraction to mixed number. You can do it by division. We have 15 over 6, which is improper fraction, right? Improper fraction is when, remember, when numerator is greater than or equal the denominator. So we call improper fraction. Now you have to divide 15 by number 6. And how many times 6 goes into 15? At least 2, right? 6 times 2 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So for number 3, we call a remainder. To write in mixed number, you put 2 as a front number and 3 as the numerator. And the denominator is 6. You just keep 6 the same. From improper fraction, 15 over 6 become a mixed number, 2 and 3 over 6. I want you to change improper fraction to mixed number. Remember, you divide 20 by 8. And how many times 8 goes into 20? At least 2, right? At least 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Can you see we have 4 as a remainder? So, to write in mixed number, you put 2 in front, you put 4 as the numerator, and the denominator is 8. From 20 over 8 become 2 and 4 over 8. Okay, so we have 3 types of fraction, as you can see. A proper fraction, an improper fraction, a mixed number. Can you tell me 15 over 6, what type of fraction is it? So 15 over 6 is an improper fraction, right? It is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we call an improper fraction. 2 and 3 over 6 is a mixed number, right? 2 and 3 over 6 is a mixed number. 3 over 6, tell me what type of fraction is it? 3 over 6. So 3 over 6 is a proper fraction, right? Proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. So we call a proper fraction. 4 and 8 over 9 is a mixed number. 52 over 7 is an improper fraction. 1 over 2 is a proper fraction. And 44 over 9 is an improper fraction. So I want you to compare these two fractions. Tell me, are these two fractions equal? Okay, first step, I want you to look at the denominator. Check the denominator. They are the same number, right? So the denominator are equal. When the denominator are equal, so there is a chance that they are equal. The easiest way to check, I recommend you to change from mixed number to improper fraction. Is easier. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. 15 over 6. They are equal. Now tell me, we have 4 and 8 over 9. 52 over 7. Are these two fractions equal? They are not equal, right? As you can see from the denominator, they have different denominator. And 4 and 1 over 4. 17 over 4. Tell me, are these two fractions equal? Okay, they are equal. Now let's move on to page number 67. Can you see Exercise 8.3. They want you to write the type of following fraction. So we have proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. Easy, you just look at the fraction here and write down the correct answer. For example, number 1, 8 over 5. It is an improper fraction, right? 8 over 5 is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, as you can see. So, number 2, 15 over 6. It is an improper fraction. Number 3, 20 and 1 over 2. Obviously, it is a mixed number. 4, 5 over 20. So it is a proper fraction. Number 5, 17 over 4. It is an improper fraction. And the last one, number 6, 31 and 9 over 7. Obviously, it is a mixed number. So for this activity, they want you to change this fraction to mixed number. Do you remember how to do that? Remember, you can change from improper fraction to mixed number by division. So now you need to divide 26 by 15. How many times 15 goes into 26? At least 1, right? Then 26 minus 15. So we have 11 as a remainder. We put 1 in front, 11 as the numerator, and you keep the denominator the same. So from 26 over 15 become 1 and 11 over 15. Number 8. Okay, can you divide 28 by 4? Yes, you can, right? So the answer is 7. And this one, they want you to change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Easy. So let's see. We have 4 and 8 over 9. To do that, you need to multiply 9 by 4 and then plus 8. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36 plus 8. Then you will get 44 over 9, which is the answer. We have 11 and 3 over 8 for number 10. Remember, you multiply 8 by 11 and plus 3. So, 8 times 11, you will get 88 plus 3. Then, the answer would be 91 over 8. That's it for today. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.